What's up guys? Today we have an HDT behind me that is loaded out. It has a feature that doesn't get a whole lot of love in the past. That feature is the 3/16 diamond plate floor option. Most of the other guys in the industry, when they do a diamond plate floor option, they use 1/8 inch. We automatically go to 3/16. Yes, it does add a little bit of weight to the trailer, therefore, subtracting a little bit of your payload capacity. But when you're talking about a trailer in this weight class from 14,900 all the way up to 24,000, you need a floor, especially when it's a steel floor that's going to be welded there, intending for it to be forever. You need a floor that's going to stand up to the test of time. So we use 3/16 steel, which is ultra durable. It's kind of a preference thing. A lot of guys like the wood because they can beat and bang it, but you do have to refloor it. The 3/16, once it's welded in place, that's there forever. Outside of that, on this HDT, you can see it's this loud lime green color. Colors are awesome. It helps you stand out on the job site, stand out around town. Say you have a whole fleet, you've got a HDT, an F-Max, a LPT, they're all lime green. Everybody in town knows when you show up to the site that that's your crew and that you mean business. Up front on this HDT, you'll notice it does have the Stillwell hydraulic jack option. Now the bed on the HDT, this one is still a dampened tilt. You can get it to where it's a power tilt and it powers the jack and the bed, but in this case, they wanted the power hydraulic jack feature to unhook and hook up quickly, but they wanted to keep the gravity tilt all the time on the bed. Also, it has a signature HD V-tongue lid that you can use as extended deck space, or it actually has massive storage in here alongside your battery and pump for your jack. This one also has the new 12K Warrior pop-up winch package. Right now it's in the up position, but also it folds down out of the way so you can use the deck space here, this stationary deck, you can use it as normal deck space. The last thing we're going to point out on this HDT is the 17.5 HD wheel and tire package. This is still 7K axles on this HDT, has a GVWR of 14,900, but this person wanted to upgrade, get a little bit heavier duty wheel and tire combination, but they didn't want to spend the extra for 8K axles. So that's what you get here. You've got a 16 ply regroovable 17.5 wheel, steel wheel, and this tire is super heavy duty, super puncture resistance for the job site, and being regroovable, it's got a super deep tread that's going to last for a long time. And also part of it, you get the aluminum Valkrum grease cap in this case, so you can see, you have a window here, you can see your grease, and it's easily refillable. Easily, you can tell whether your grease is still in the cap and ready to go for when you're doing your pre-trip inspection. So you can jump on our website on diamondsea.com and build an HDT similar to this. You can change up the color, the length, gooseneck, bumper pull, all kinds of different configurations there to build an HDT to do the work you need to do.